Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal will get interim bail from the Supreme Court. Those discussions or the arguments are taking place currently in the Supreme Court. We're waiting to find out what it is the judges have finally decided. Let's go across to Ishika and Aishwarya now for more. And Ishika, what we're hearing is that the Supreme Court has said on the interim bail for Chief Minister, we will formulate our mind and let you know. So what does this mean now? We'll have to wait further to find out that final decision.
Well, yes, certainly, Gargi, that's what it looks like because, the court has said that it has already heard both the sides and basis on that, they will be giving an order. So certainly, as of now, we do not have an update whether the order will be pronounced shortly or not. But certainly, the Supreme Court, in fact, hearing both sides of arguments today, and those arguments certainly were very strong and very interesting. While, it was the Tushar Mehta appearing for the Enforcement Directorate who was opposing this interim bail of Arvind Kejriwal, said that the Chief Minister should not be treated any differently from that of a common man, from that of a kirana owner. He also said that, by doing so, a negative message will be sent across to the common man and political campaigning is not that important. While on the other hand, we also heard Kejriwal's counsel, Singhvi, appearing for Kejriwal, saying, that Kejriwal is not a habitual offender. In fact, he does not have any other case against him. And also, that he is not a threat to the society. And thus, this is a basic structure of democracy. And basis on that, they are asking for an interim bail.
Ishika,
but Supreme Court today making it very, very clear that...
Right, it seems another update coming in that regarding the main matter of deciding the issue of Mr. Kejriwal's petition, the case we will hear on Thursday and later next week and then decide. So this is the latest coming out from our colleague Sunil Prabhu from the Supreme Court. So it does seem that perhaps no decision today.
Well, if we talk about the main matter, that was certainly the plea challenging the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. And on that, now the Supreme Court has said that they will in fact continue to hear this matter on Thursday. So certainly no decision as of today on the main matter, that was the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal. But if we talk about the interim bail, well, Supreme Court has still not in fact said whether it will pronounce its order today or not. But certainly we are expecting that the order will be pronounced shortly. Over to you.
All right, so we are still, so that's an important distinction. The main matter is regarding the arrest of the Delhi Chief Minister, but the interim bail is the issue that we've heard the justices say that, this is something that they could decide on, that while the Enforcement Directorate pointing out that why treat the Delhi Chief Minister differently, it'll set a bad precedent to treat a politician any differently from a shopkeeper, or also talking about whether it's the fact that elections are underway. There are 5,000 politicians who currently have, or 500 politicians, I beg your pardon, who have cases against them, whether they'll all get bail. Aishwarya, take us through the latest that's emerging now from the Supreme Court. We're still awaiting whether that interim bail will be given. Lots of arguments being made, lots of repetition as well, various statements, etc. being gone through in the Supreme Court currently, talk of Vijay Nair. But the key question is whether the Delhi Chief Minister will get that interim bail or not.
Well, certainly, as Ishika also mentioned, for interim bail, Supreme Court had stated that they will formulate their mind and they will let us know. But as far as the main matter of deciding the issues of Kejriwal's petition is concerned, which challenged the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal through Enforcement Directorate, they will hear it on Thursday or later next week, and then they will decide. Of course, the arguments went well, repeated arguments, in fact, that we have heard interestingly in the Rouse Avenue Court as well, and in the Delhi High Court, where Arvind Kejriwal got a setback. Repeatedly, it was stated by the Enforcement Directorate that they can establish the money trail. They have the evidences against Arvind Kejriwal, and that they can produce in front of the court. In fact, very interestingly, when it came down to the interim bail arguments, it was stated by the Enforcement Directorate earlier that there should be no separate precedent that should be set for any politicians, because later another politician will come whose cases would be in between the elections, and they will again ask for interim bail, to which the Supreme Court clearly stated that there is no grounds according to them as far as Arvind Kejriwal's direct involvement they can see. But on the other side, yes,